Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on my channel we are going to be opening my BlackMilk package. So in this package I have my Animal Crossing items and I only got 2 pieces from the entire collection. I liked a lot of the pieces but that didn't really work with my styling, so I just got the ones I really liked. I am not sponsored by BlackMilk Clothing, but if they would like to sponsor me, hi. I'm Celeste Orchid. I'm a cosplayer of 15 years, and if you would like to hit me up, I'd be more than happy to have it. Yeah. Anyways, so here we are opening this package, invoice enclosed. This package includes 2 different pieces from the Animal Crossing collection, so I'm super excited to see what these look like in person. While I'm opening this, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I don't understand why you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but if you haven't, please do that right now down below. Click that red button to become a member of my YouTube family. So now we're gonna cut along this dotted line because they're reuse ideas. This is a real dirt bag, so you can actually use this for plants and potting. That's what I did with my previous BlackMilk one. Okay. So enclosed, I actually have a bodysuit and a dress. And this is the Animal Crossing Filigree dress. Now, first impressions, I love this color purple. So this is adorable. Let me go ahead and open this. Now the filigree dress is one of my favorite pieces of this collection because it is the entire NPCs in one dress. The material is a lot thinner than it used to be, but that's new with all not Animal Crossing, but BlackMilk items. I'm really interested because look, there's a facing here for the neckline. So it has an understitching. It feels very thin, but I love the print quality. I love how this looks. So this is the first item. So you see Spike, Isabel, Daisy May, Celeste, Blathers. I forgot the fishing guy's name. And KK Slider, Tom Nook, Timmy, and Tommy. Isn't his name CJ? I think his name is CJ. I love this. And it has the bells, the turnips, little fish, bugs. Oh, orchid mantis. This is what the dress looks like up close. Thanks for the focus on my boobies. First impressions after wearing it. I never want to take this off. It is very thin though. So I feel like if I was in a battle, they would just scratch me. My clothes would turn into tissue paper. So totally know that feeling. Do I love this? Absolutely. Do I feel like I'm ready to play Animal Crossing? Absolutely. So this is this, but let's get a full body shot. Let's see. Okay. I really like this dress. And let's go ahead and look at our other piece. So that is piece number 1, the Animal Crossing Filigree V-neck dress. And secondly, this is the biggest one that I had to have. This piece right here is actually the villagers tie the knot jumpsuit, and this was so adorable. I was so scared if this is going to fit me or not. So this is actually a white jumpsuit filled with different villagers, and I loved this on the model. It is so adorable. So this on its own has tying shoulder pieces. I think it's really cute. It has the same fabric quality as the purple dress, the V-neck. Now, first impressions. It is freaking adorable. Look at this. This is the most rainbow item I have in my closet that's not pure black anymore. You can see all these little villagers. If you can name 5 villagers in the comment down below, leave them. They don't have some of my favorite villagers, which includes Lucky. I think Muffy is on a different piece. Here's Snake. Let's see. I think they only had permission to print so many. There's Bam! Oh, Bam's on the butt! Okay, let's go Bam. If you guys didn't know, Bam is this little guy right here. I forget her name. I think her name is Ming. She's a little bear. She's got little buns for ears. Goldie! I love Goldie. And then there's Colton. Oh, I love this. I love this piece. I love Animal Crossing. I haven't been playing, but the one really adorable feature that I didn't expect us to have was a cute little polka dot lining. And of course you can see the Animal Crossing New Horizons BlackMilk tag trademark with Nintendo, officially licensed commercial product. Okay, so these fabrics are actually 87% polyester and 13% elastane. Obviously we have to wash these cold and then we have to dry these, air dry it. It's interesting because they have pockets. Okay, so I really like this. So oh, there's Muffy. There's Muffy. Muffy's one of my favorites. She's the gothic Lolita sheep. Can you see her? Yeah, there's Muffy and Stitches right next to each other. I have this one, this little pink gerbil in my town. I forgot her name. I'm so bad. I hope it fits properly because I used their sizing chart and I got a size 10. So my hips are very wide along with my booty. So I have to be a little bit careful. I do hope it fits correctly. Now for my purple dress, this one is a size extra small because the bottom part of the dress is free. So yeah, I just have to be a little bit careful with it. And then this is also 87% polyester and the other percentage is elastane. I do like the front facing. I like the front facing, so it has this really nice and clean edge right here. Alright, here we are. First impressions while wearing it. First and foremost, I love this feeling. I definitely think this is a much warmer climate outfit because it is so... Fabric is thin, you know, elastane and polyester is like a pretty much close to like a rayon blend. That's basically to me. I am so shocked like that this, I tested wearing a dark panty underneath to see the opacity and it's not transparent at all. I am wearing a push-up bra, so my girls look pretty big right now, so. Seal clap. Guys, leave some seal claps down in the comments below. Ah! Okay, anyways, so overall my first impressions of this is, holy crap, is it adorable. My god, it is so colorful. I do foresee myself wearing this a lot in the future, just not right now during December in Denmark. It is very cold. I definitely think this is super cute. I actually even tried tying my ties around my neck and then having this come up as an X in the back. And it worked out just fine. So there's a little bit of versatility with the straps and how you tie it, so it's not just one way. Now, if I take off this middle strap, it totally changes the entire outfit. I do believe that you should have the strap because this is two different prints. You have one tiny print of animal villager heads here, and then the bottom part is like super big prints. So it's so contrasty that it looks kind of like clownish if you don't have it. So once I add this, it changes it and it gives you your waist back and it's adorable. The downfall with that is they do not have any loops, belt holders, so I might sew something of that in so it stays in, or I might tack it down so I don't lose my belt. I generally have a problem with that. This is also one of those things where you cannot machine dry. You must be careful about that. Overall, I have to say I am very impressed about this print job. There are pockets, it fits nicely. I did use their recommended sizing on their website. This one is a size 10. Now, you're probably wondering, oh my god, wow, you're a size 10? No, this is very interesting because they based it off of my hip measurement and it actually fits my bust so well. So you can see that there's no extra room for the ladies. I am wearing a push-up bra, so if I did try that, I'll let you know in the future, or if you're interested. And so it does fit my lady parts down here. My final conclusion of my Animal Crossing shopping haul from BlackMilk Clothing. I absolutely love the two pieces that I got. Would I like to try to get more? Not necessarily. I'm very happy with the pieces that I did choose because they're, one, very Animal Crossing centric pieces. They're not understated by any means necessary. I want them to be super bold as opposed to my Pokemon ones. These are supposed to be contrasted and I love the fact of how bright and colorful these are. I love this piece in particular, and I really do hope that they have more pieces with just this fabric or this bottom leg fabric. So I hope that that happens. Now the V filigree dress actually comes in a set of leggings. I'm not really sure I would want to have lilac leggings. I love lilac, so let's just be honest, I would like them. But I decided that it would be more practical for me to get the dress. And thus concludes my BlackMilk shopping haul featuring Animal Crossing Horizons collaboration. Yay! Once again, I am not sponsored by BlackMilk Clothing, but if you guys want to check out their stuff down below and support a small business, I highly recommend it. They do have some really great, amazing pieces from different collections, and you know, just giving them a shout out. So if you guys haven't checked out some of my other videos where I do unboxings of my BlackMilk clothing or something YouTube recommends, click on that here. Make sure to leave a seal claps down below in the comments if you're just new to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!